Hi everyone, so I'm here today to talk to you about the Evo Fabuloso Platinum Blonde Toning Shampoo. So this is a nourishing shampoo that is perfect for grey or blonde hair. Whether your blonde is natural or colour treated, it will help to remove any brassiness and any unwanted yellow tones in the hair. It helps prevent colour fade, which means your colour will last longer, and it is ideal for maintaining your blonde or grey hair. So it also helps to reduce any frizz, it softens and adds shine. It is paraben free, sulfate free and gluten free. It is also vegan and cruelty free. So how to use, we recommend to use about once a week. So you want to apply a few pumps onto wet hair, you want to gently massage into your hair. Leave on for about 3 minutes and then rinse. If you want a more intense result, you will want to squeeze out any excess water and then follow with the treatment. Hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.